Okay guys, just a quick update with Bitcoin. I'll give you some price targets to pay attention to. I'm going to cover this pattern we're currently in. I'm going to show you how the game is coming along. If you've been following me, you know I'm working on a game I'll be releasing free to everyone. And also if you want to access these live charts, you can on my website. It'll be pinned in the first comment description. If you use my Big Get affiliate link, that will be pinned in the first comment description as well. So if you watched yesterday's video, I was talking about we were in this pattern. We would either break to the upside or the downside. I'm putting up this video now if you want to check it out. So what happened is we did find resistance here, and we did break this point. We pushed back up. So understand, guys, how this works. And people in Discord were asking. I said, well, they were talking about shorting this point right here. We did find support temporarily, and we pushed up. And they were talking about, well, do I short this point or do I long? So listen, the safe way to trade is you would have got in up here. You would have shorted the top of this wedge at 39,084. You would not short once you break this point. I mean, you could have shorted, price came down, you'd be in profit, but you see price pushed right back up. So if people are shorting and price is going down, exchanges will send the price back up to stop you out before price continues down. But notice what happened. Price pushed up above our previous support. This was resistance. It pushed above. So what I would do, wait till price comes back down below resistance. When the next candle opens, then if we're below this point, I would enter my short. Remember, you only short resistance, you long support. You never short support. If you come down and push back up and then we're below this point, the next candle opens, you would short. So I'm just trying to show you safe ways to long and short. But I will give you your key support resistance levels. But I do think there's more downside. Again, I think this is just, price did break to the downside, but exchanges pushed it up, stopped people out for more downside. So let's cover this, guys. So this was a tweet I made. This was 11 hours ago, just showing you the pattern we were in. And you can see how this progressed. I said, I think it's about time. Get ready. 2 hours. We were at resistance coming down. And then we did break down. But again, price pushed up. Others are gambling. We're counting cards. And when you have these charts, you actually do know when to get in your short, when to get in your long. This is a published version of that chart right here. This was March 9th. Just want to show you the yellow line and the white line. You see this was our resistance, and this white line was our support, and currently there's our resistance. If the next candle opens below this point, we probably have some more downside. This should next support below. So this is the C1 chart. So just remember, guys, this is a very key resistance level, 39,065. If we get above that, we could have some more upside. The next major resistance on the C1 chart is up here around 40,800. But as long as we're below this point, this is a very key resistance level. If you do have access to my charts, this is the same line on the G1 chart. So as long as we're below 39,065, I expect more downside. You could potentially catch a bounce. I do have multiple charts showing around 38,000. Would be a nice point to catch a small bounce. I do expect more downside, but I'm just showing you the key support levels on this chart. Your next point to catch a bounce, 37,727. And then if you want to chance a long down here around 36,386. This is the H1 chart. You can see currently we are underneath this has been a lot of support going back. This is currently our resistance. Again, we have a lot of resistance above. I think it's more likely we have some downside. So your resistance currently is 38,832. Your next support is around 38,147. So again, what I'm saying is if we come down, this was a point where I told you guys too long. This was support. Hold on. And this was also support right back here. Support. So what I'm saying is if we come down, this is likely a point to catch a bounce. And when I say bounce, and if you long 38,000 to 38,150, you would only long up to potentially 38,855, take your profit and get the hell out. And as I mentioned in that previous video, if we do have a major drop, I would go in heavy with a long around 36,000. This is going to be very strong support. This is where I told you guys to buy in around 34,000 right here. So I do expect to catch a nice bounce here. Eventually I expect that to break. Let's go on, guys. This is the G1 chart. This was talking about this line right here. You see this green line right here? That is this line right here. That is a lot of resistance. And remember, at any point we break 36,500 to potentially 36,749 when we break it, like I said in this previous videos, when we break this ring, remember it was support back here. At any point we break this, I think that's when the capitulation will begin. Go back and watch previous videos. I gave you a bottom target and a date when I expect us to bottom. Remember, guys, in that last video, I told you how to get these charts into the BitGet exchange. If you want to just get access to my Twitter, so you can get these coordinates imported into the BitGet exchange, you'll have to use my BitGet affiliate link. email with your user ID number, and then I'll give you access to my Twitter. If you want to get access to Discord and my charts, you have to sign up. So let me show you how the game's coming along, guys, which is pretty cool. I'm going to hit play on here. So we got a little forest map going on. I'm going to get my SMG. And right now I'm just bringing in models. I'm bringing in some cabins and different structures, and have some ranger towers. But I have to set up the collision models for all these and get them in. And this map's going to be capture the flag. So you can see these are different. You see the B, C, and A. Those are the points where you'll go and you'll capture the flag. And we've got all of our weapons in here. We got our sniper rifles, machine guns, Glocks, Berettas. So it'll be a lot of fun. And there's the character model for this team. But I just want to show you how that's coming along, guys. Remember, if you do want to access these charts, the website is optiartcrypto.com. The link will be pinned in the first comment in the description. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.